This is a free 47-second hack to have other people make you money online. This is going to be a free demo. I want you to hit play on this video after I go through my introduction of this program here. You're going to want to listen to it in its entirety, and the link to join this is going to be directly below in the video description box. What if you could get other people to make you money online? Sounds crazy, right? Imagine waking up to find commissions and sales rolling in, and you didn't have to personally grind for them. They were generated by an army of others working for you. This isn't a fantasy or some future tech. It's happening right now, and for the first time ever, anyone can leverage it. In fact, there's a little-known 47-second hack that makes it possible, and I'm going to tell you how it works. The best part, it's 100% free to use. If you're an online entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, or someone dreaming of making passive income online, you've probably felt the pain. Maybe you've tried building funnels or stores on your own, slogged through endless social posts and ads, hustled to make a few sales. It's exhausting doing everything solo. Now imagine flipping that script. Instead of a one-person show, you have dozens of people promoting your offers, driving your sales, and exponentially growing your income while you sit back and collect mailbox money. Or if you don't even have a product, picture being able to instantly plug into other people's proven products and earn commissions from their sales. This is all possible thanks to a brand new platform called OfferLab, link below. This is Russell Brunson's latest game-changing creation. Yes, Russell Brunson, if you haven't heard of him, he's the co-founder of ClickFunnels, and he has helped tens of thousands of entrepreneurs build their businesses. He is a genius behind this, and he's a genius behind ClickFunnels. When someone like him unveils a new platform, you know it's something serious. OfferLab is being hailed as the future of online business, and once you see it, you'll understand why. It's a collaborative funnel building platform where top creators, funnel builders, and affiliates team up to multiply their sales together. In plain terms, OfferLab lets you partner with other entrepreneurs so that everyone makes more money from every customer. Creators don't just sell alone, they sell together. It's like having access to everyone else's sales team and customer base all in one place. Here's how it works in a nutshell. You can bundle multiple offers from different people into one super-powered funnel. Your customers can buy several items at once in one smooth checkout, no bouncing between sites, which means higher profits per customer for you and your partners. And whenever a sale comes in, OfferLab automatically splits the payout so every creator gets their share of revenue instantly. There's no waiting, you get it instantly. No disputes, no manual tracking, it's all handled for you. This is collaborative commerce at its finest, and it is the future of marketing. Now you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but how complicated is it? Here's the truth. OfferLab is stupidly simple. You don't need to be a tech wizard or marketing guru to cash in on this. In fact, setting up an OfferLab funnel is so fast, it feels like a magic trick. We're talking under a minute. They call it the 47-second hack for a reason. And as an OfferLab member, you can scroll through a marketplace of proven, high-converting offers, click a few buttons, and boom, you've got a ready-to-go funnel with products that are already selling like hotcakes. If you don't have no product of your own, it's no problem. Grab someone else's awesome product from the platform, add it to your funnel, and you earn a fat commission on every sale that you generate without creating a thing. Got your own product? Even better. List it on OfferLab and watch affiliates line up to promote it for you, sending buyers your way on autopilot. It's truly a win-win. Others drive sales for you, and you return the favor by adding their offers to your funnel. Everyone's customer base grows, and everyone's revenue multiplies. This clever, you scratch my back and I'll scratch yours approach is completely new, and it's incredibly powerful. To sum it up, OfferLab is like having the ultimate money-making machine at your fingertips. Here are just a few of the game-changing benefits you'll discover in the free demo. This is this video right here that you're gonna hit play on. You're gonna click that link below. It's gonna bring you over to this page, and it's gonna explain everything even better in its entirety. But here are just some of the game-changing benefits that you discover in this video. You can launch in 60 seconds. See how you can set up a high-converting funnel in less than 1 minute. Literally 60 seconds from now, you could have a funnel ready to take orders. Bundle and boost. Learn to bundle multiple offers into one funnel so each customer spends more. You'll watch how combining others' products with your own can skyrocket your average sale. Mailbox money or passive income. Find out how to simply list your own product and let an army of affiliates promote it for you, generating hands-free sales. Yes, other people do the selling. You get paid. No product, no problem. Discover how you can make money with OfferLab even if you have nothing to sell yourself by plugging into other people's offers and earning commissions without creating a product of your own. No tech headaches. Worried about tech? Don't be. You'll see how easy it is to import your products from wherever you sell. Could be Shopify, ClickFunnels, Etsy, anything, and bundle them with a few clicks. No coding or tech skills required. And like I said, you don't need a product of your own as well. And you're going to be able to earn, he's going to get into this, $500 instant commissions and up to 2% commissions on people that you bring into the platform. So if you bring in somebody into the platform that sells thousands and thousands of dollars, you're going to get 2% of all their sales for not doing anything. How's that for hands-free income? So that's going to be explained in that video in its entirety, so you're going to want to watch that. It's nothing to start. This might be the best part. It costs absolutely nothing to get started. You can join for free. No credit card needed, and start exploring this money-making ecosystem right away. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? That's exactly why you need to see the free demo for yourself. This isn't just me talking. OfferLab just launched a massive online event, and this product's only a month old as of the recording of this video. And thousands of entrepreneurs are watching in awe because the buzz is real. People are rushing to join because they've never seen anything like it. And now you have the chance to get in on the ground floor of this groundbreaking revolution behind a product by Russell Brunson. He's the founder of ClickFunnels. He's pretty much a household name, so anything he gets behind, you can almost guarantee it's going to be a success. The creators are literally giving away a step-by-step demo for free, showing how to use this 47-second hack to potentially transform your business and income. You'll get to watch exactly how the platform works, how regular people are using it to bank serious money, and how you can do the same starting today. All right, this is important. This demo isn't some vague theory. It's a full walkthrough. You'll see real examples of funnels, real strategies you can copy immediately, and real proof of how powerful this is. By the end of it, you could practically be setting up your first collaborative funnel as you watch. And remember, signing up for the demo also gets you a free OfferLab account on the spot, so you can jump in and start experimenting as you follow along. Now, I have to warn you, timing is everything. OfferLab is brand new, which means two things. One, the opportunity is wide open, and two, those who move now will have a huge advantage. Think about it. The early adopters of platforms like the first sellers on Amazon or the first creators on ClickFunnels, for example, often make a killing because they got in before the masses. This is your chance to be one of those early success stories. Don't wait until everyone and their mother is on OfferLab. By then, you'll be playing catch-up. You'll have an opportunity today to stake your claim before the crowd, and the creators of OfferLab are sweetening the deal like crazy for action takers. You're going to get all the full inside scoop by someone who recognizes a life-changing opportunity. You'll be thrilled to know there's an optional VIP upgrade available to those with even more goodies. That's optional, but you're going to want to check it out. I'm talking exclusive trainings with top 1% marketers, behind-the-scenes access with Russell Brunson himself, and there's going to be some bonuses worth almost $500 thrown in just for good measures. So with that being said, click the link below, register. You're going to want to see what the brains behind ClickFunnels, which is a huge business, Russell Brunson has to say, and he's going to explain more about this in detail. So click that link below the video in the video description box. Get signed up to watch this video, and you're going to be glad you did. Get in on the ground floor because this is going to be a groundbreaking program that's going to be going mainstream sooner rather than later. So you're going to want to get in now. So like I said, click that link directly below. I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.